Think you're staying hydrated just because you're drinking water? Think again. Most of us are making simple daily hydration mistakes without even realizing it. Like drinking at the wrong times, relying too much on coffee, or even misreading thirst as hunger. These small habits can lead to fatigue, brain fog, and even weight gain. In this video, we're uncovering the hidden hydration traps you didn't know were sabotaging your health, and what to do instead to truly nourish your body from the inside out. Today we will talk about hydration mistakes you didn't know you're making. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. Mistaking thirst for hunger. A common daily error. One of the most common hydration mistakes is confusing thirst for hunger. Our bodies have a limited way of signaling needs, and often the cues for hunger and thirst can feel similar: dry mouth, fatigue, or a light headache. Many people respond to these symptoms by reaching for a snack rather than a glass of water. Over time, this not only contributes to unnecessary calorie consumption and weight gain, but also leaves the body in a constant state of mild dehydration. Especially during mid-morning or mid-afternoon slumps, the culprit is often a lack of water, not a need for food. Learning to pause and first drink a glass of water when you feel hunger between meals can help you recalibrate your body's signals and ensure you're truly hydrated. 2. Relying only on thirst as a guide. It's a myth that thirst is the best indicator of when to drink water. By the time you feel thirsty, your body is already mildly dehydrated. This is particularly true for older adults, whose sense of thirst can diminish with age, and for people who live in colder climates, where thirst is less noticeable despite water loss. Athletes and those who exercise regularly are also at risk, as fluid loss through sweat can be significant before thirst ever kicks in. Instead of waiting for a dry mouth, establish a routine. Drink water at set intervals during the day. When you wake up, before meals, mid-afternoon, and before bed. Even light dehydration can affect mood, concentration, and energy levels, so don't let thirst be your only hydration cue. 3. Overhydrating. When too much water becomes dangerous. On the opposite end of the spectrum, many health-conscious individuals overdo their water intake, mistakenly believing that more is always better. Overhydration, or water intoxication, can dilute the sodium levels in your blood, leading to a condition called hyponatremia. Symptoms include nausea, headache, confusion, and in severe cases, seizures or death. While this condition is rare, it's more common among endurance athletes or individuals who force themselves to drink excessive amounts of water in short periods. The key is balance. Listen to your body, factor in your activity level, and aim for steady hydration rather than chugging liters at once. As a rule of thumb, your urine should be light yellow, not crystal clear, which can indicate overhydration, or dark, which means dehydration. 4. Ignoring the role of electrolytes. Hydration isn't just about water. It's about the electrolyte balance in your system. When you sweat, urinate, or experience diarrhea, your body loses not just water, but also sodium, potassium, magnesium, and calcium. Replacing only the water without replenishing these electrolytes can leave you feeling weak, dizzy, or nauseous. That's why drinking plain water during intense workouts or hot weather isn't always sufficient. Coconut water, sports drinks, or even adding a pinch of sea salt and a squeeze of lemon to your water can help maintain electrolyte balance. You can also eat hydrating foods like bananas, oranges, and spinach, which are naturally rich in electrolytes. Understanding hydration as a chemical balance, not just fluid intake, can transform how you feel throughout the day. 5. Drinking the wrong fluids for hydration. Many people mistakenly believe that all liquids contribute equally to hydration. Unfortunately, this isn't true. Beverages like coffee, tea, and alcohol are diuretics, which increase fluid loss by stimulating urination. While moderate consumption of these drinks doesn't necessarily dehydrate you, relying on them as your main fluid source can backfire. Soft drinks and energy drinks are also culprits. They may quench your thirst momentarily, but the high sugar and caffeine content can leave you more dehydrated in the long run. In contrast, water, herbal teas, and water-rich fruits and vegetables are ideal sources of hydration. If you can't give up coffee or alcohol, balance each cup with an equal amount of water. This small adjustment can make a significant difference in how hydrated your body remains throughout the day. 6. Skipping morning hydration. One of the biggest hydration mistakes happens before your day even starts, not drinking water first thing in the morning. After 7 or 8 hours of sleep, your body wakes up dehydrated. Yet, many people go straight to coffee or begin their day without rehydrating. This contributes to morning fatigue, sluggish digestion, and brain fog. Drinking 12 to 16 ounces of water immediately after waking can jumpstart your metabolism, flush out toxins, and improve bowel function. For an extra boost, add lemon or apple cider vinegar to your morning water. This ritual not only rehydrates your cells but also signals your body that it's time to wake up and function optimally. Establishing this habit alone can vastly improve your daily energy and mental clarity. 7. Forgetting to adjust hydration for weather and activity. Hydration needs aren't static. They change based on your environment and activity level. Many people fail to adjust their water intake during hot weather, high altitudes, or after intense physical exertion. In dry climates, you may lose moisture even if you're not sweating profusely. Similarly, during air travel, the cabin's dry air can dehydrate you quickly. If you're exercising, especially outdoors or in hot conditions, your fluid needs can double or even triple. Failing to recognize this can lead to headaches, muscle cramps, and reduced performance. The general 8 glasses a day rule is a starting point, not a gold standard. Tune into your body's needs daily and increase your water intake when the external conditions demand it. 8. Neglecting hydration through food. One overlooked but crucial aspect of hydration is the water content in food. While beverages are an obvious source of fluid, many foods are naturally hydrating and should be part of your daily intake. Fruits like watermelon, strawberries, oranges, and grapes are over 90% water. Vegetables such as cucumbers, celery, lettuce, and zucchini are also high in water content. Including these in your meals not only boosts hydration but also adds vital nutrients and fiber. Soups, smoothies, and broths are other excellent choices. Many people forget that hydration doesn't only come from a bottle. It comes from your plate too. 9. Believing one hydration strategy fits everyone. Another often overlooked mistake is assuming there's a one-size-fits-all rule for hydration. In reality, your hydration needs are as unique as your fingerprint, influenced by factors like age, weight, climate, diet, health conditions, and even genetics. Someone who eats a high-sodium or high-protein diet, for instance, will need more water than someone with a more plant-based intake. Likewise, individuals taking certain medications, such as diuretics or laxatives, lose fluids faster and require higher water intake. People with kidney issues, diabetes, or thyroid problems also have different hydration needs. Relying on generic advice like 8 glasses a day ignores these nuances and can lead to chronic underhydration or overhydration. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up. Leave a comment and click the button to subscribe.